It's our sixth day of school. Stuff. Where's your stuff? Kasanag Deep Edition. Again na lang. Sa Kasanag Staff Edition. Sa Kasanag Staff. Kasanag Week Edition.
Ay, okay na. Kamusta pa mahal?
Yeah! Tatlo ka mo po. Aray!
Yeah, bye. Saka. Hindi pa ganda, boy. Hindi ka mo, boy. Naya part. Gago pa lang ba pa akong tinikaan? Aboy, madandog na boy. Ay, aboy, gago, mapatay ka, boy. Hindi na rin kita ito, so. Gagi ko. Agay! Hindi mo ulo ba, boy? Tangi mo siyang ano, boy?
Maybe this time you'll love in the fight. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Yeah.
She's back.
Si Jaja.
Kumapakanta nyo na. Kumapakanta nyo na.
Okay, karaoke. Baby, this time mali man ang ikaw ay bigin ko. Ako'y isang ulag na umiibig sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, mali man ang ikaw ay bigin ko. Ano ni Pre?
Butang ko ni sa ano, sa vlog. Kaya lang kami kanin ni Faye.
Huwag ka mahiya.
Jake, my dad wants me to study medicine doon, kahit hindi ko naman gusto, Jake. Medicine? Jake, I have no choice, Jake. But to follow what my dad is saying. Jake! Jake! Jake, listen! Jake, I have no choice. You cannot say to your dad, you cannot communicate with your dad.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Let's make it gentle. Slow.
Slowly but surely.
Pa-hello, kamuta na. Guys, pa-hello, kamuta na. Ja, ko ay mulo. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hi. Okay, baby. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Kalia is making bread. Kalia is making bread.
Guys, so... Ay, no.
Paano i-delete?
In the division level and even in the national level. And it needs a round of applause. Kailangan natin palakpakan. So I will take this opportunity to congratulate muli yung mga nanalo, yung nakakuha ng ika-4 na gantimpala sa recently concluded na NFOP, Regulatory Servano, Mayado. Oo. Inuspin.
ating paaralan sa Charles Delgar sa OIC ng Departamento ng Filipino Sir Lodi Val. Binabati ka namin dahil sa pagkakatanggap ng bagong uniforme, Nathan Angelo Labarosa mula sa
Sir, ma'am. So, hi guys! It's what like
Okay, we're ending our day.
We're ending our day here. And we're ending the vlog also. It's a tiring. It's a very tiring. He gave using twice. Bye guys.
H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find.